How to send money with Wise app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Wise application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on the Send Money option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the currency drop-down if you want to change the currency, and change the currency. Now, enter the amount of money you want to send, and under the Recipient Gets tab, you can tap on the currency drop-down again and convert the money to the currency the recipient will receive in. Now, tap on the Continue button, and in the next interface that you will be led to, enter the recipient name or Wise tag, or email or phone, and tap on the Send button, and with this, the money will be sent. So, this is how you can send money with Wise app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.